Today I'm going to show you a couple of quick ways to organize your bookmarks toolbar, just in case it's very busy and hard to find the sites you want quickly. One of the things we can do is change our bookmarks to icons only. So select the bookmark that you want to change, right-click, select Edit, delete the name that's highlighted in blue, select Save. If we pop back up, we can see that the Schoology icon is the only thing showing on the bookmarks bar. I'll also do that with Schoology. Edit, delete the name highlighted in blue, select Save, and now I have just the icon on my bookmarks bar for Schoology. Another quick and easy way to access your sites quickly is to change the location of your bookmarks. So the ones you use more frequently could be on either end of your bookmarks bar.